Thurl Williams, week 1, endocrine system. The first experiment is actually just to show you how to label. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get the perfect view, but trying to videotape yourself, that should be actually what the lesson is on. Anyway, first you just need to bring in the file that you are trying to label. Some of these are already labeled, but just as an experiment, I'll show you how I go about it. I download it in a document first, create a document to find what I'm going to label. Then you just click on where you would like to place the label. You go into Insert. You click on Insert. Then you're going to go to your text box. And then what you want to do is get it to wrap around. So it's going to go open up in the file that you want it to open in. And you basically just type what it is you want to put in the file. So we'll just put an example here. If you want to make it smaller, you just click on it again. You just got to make sure it's highlighted. You go into Home. You find the size of the text that you want. Let's say I want it in an 8. If that's too small, then you can make it bigger or larger, but you just need to make sure that you clicked on it so you can do what you need to do. Then you're just going to make sure you have an arrow. If you want to move it up smaller, you make sure you have an arrow sitting on here. If you want to make that come in smaller, then you see that you have your example there. You just click on it and then you drag it to where you want and you release. You click on it. And the most important thing that I've learned in doing this, no matter what you do to a document, you always want to go back to your file and make sure you save anything that you've done. Because, for instance, if nothing is saved, you can go to move this file and everything can be lost. So that's how you, again, if you want to do labeling. Again, this was already labeled, so it wasn't much for me to add, so I just added, it's an example. But that's how you do it. You click where you want to insert, you go to the Insert tab. It's going to take you over to the box where you're going to do your typing. You go ahead and type in what you need to type. You go back into Home, you resize it, you click it, and again, always make sure no matter what you put in there, you click Save. Okay, and that's my experiment for how you label slides or label any kind of box. Thank you.